Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Rakuten, full guide step by step clearly.
To connect with Rakuten, start by visiting the official Rakuten website. Look for the sign up or join button prominently displayed on the homepage.
Click on the button to initiate the registration process.
You'll be directed to a registration form. Fill in your basic information, including your name, email address, and password.
Make sure to use a strong password for account security.
If prompted, confirm your email by checking your inbox for a verification email from Rakuten. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. After verification, return to the Rakuten website and log in using your credentials.
Once logged in, explore the various categories of deals and products offered. Select a category that interests you to view available offers.
To make a purchase, click on your desired item. You may be redirected to the retailer's site for checkout. Before completing your purchase, check for any applicable cashback offers. After purchasing, keep track of your cashback earnings in your Rakuten account. Visit the My Account section to view your cashback balance and transaction history. To receive your earnings, link a payment method under the payment settings.
You can choose to receive payouts through checks or direct deposits.
Stay updated on new offers and promotions by regularly checking your email and the Rakuten website. Engagement with them on social media can also provide additional insights and deals. Remember to follow any specific instructions provided for maximizing your benefits. Enjoy your shopping experience with Rakuten and the cashback rewards it offers.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.